All right, another Home Depot. I'm hitting up all the places. Why not? You know what? Another place in Jersey. This is off Route 1 and 9. Yeah, they have a nice Walmart they made across the street. All right, let's see what the prices are. $69 for these little twigs. Oh boy. Yeah, so nothing really that good. Let's see, how much is this? These little baby swirls. $29. You know what? Hey, if you're afraid to cut, not a bad deal. These are nice. A little pricey. I like these trees. I have them. Purple leaf plums. $84. You know what? It's close to basically getting a Japanese maple. Yeah, they're going to get a lot bigger. You could keep them trimmed down too. Like me, I'm not going to actually allow them to grow that high or get too big. I think, the color's very pretty. I like them a lot. All right, let's see how much these maples are. Oh, wait. Let's check out these first. So this, $99. Big trunk on the green. Big trunks at least, definitely been growing far. This one's a pretty one. I like the little curvature. Also 110, not a bigger trunk, but not a bad looking one either. This one would probably be the one to get. This one's nice, it goes across. If you're kind of even looking for like a weird bonsai look too, that's what you got to think about. Let's see, these are nice too. Give a little color. $29. Oh yeah, it's right by the airport over here too. This is Linden, New Jersey. All right, let me go inside, see if anything. I have one of these. This one looks nice. That's a big guy. Let's see. It's a little wet. Let's see. Does that have a price on it? No. I'm not seeing a price down there either, so. Okay.